Yep. And you know, out over at Finish Line, we probably had one that came in just for that.
Yeah.
But
rack fee, an hour fee.
Yeah.
For an hour.
Yeah. Well, it all depends, but being a
I think that should just be the minimum regardless on.
get for 4 free tows.
Okay.
We did hear that screeching noise after pulling it off the tow. Took it for a test drive. All that noise is gone. Your brakes are about. Branch got shoved above your exhaust, so it kind of holds. By driving, you're gonna hear the. Are you located in town? And you have our address. Bailey Hill coming into town, little road, and then you take a left onto Douglas. You'll come to the stop sign, you'll see the Oaks. There's a little bit of a freeway split. You just want to stay on the middle drive. The last car, so we're just gonna pick it up. I was like, oh yeah, we're trying to get out of here. NFL5, I can test to see if we can watch it through my phone and shit.
Well, I thought you said you knew your NFL account. Run it through the computer.
Got one in our house.
Yeah. Touch over and all that. I got a touch in my room.
Yeah.
We'll put it on
that
the bed. So when the cars come, we can lift it above it.
Sure.
Yeah.